So we've got the RTV on. I've got the case set up there. I did grab a headlamp because I need to be able to see that small shaft that comes through to this actuator. It's a very small hole, and we need to make sure that that lines up, and it's not. So what I'm going to do is I need to lift this up some. Make sure that we're not going to push that seal out here up top. And I'm just going to look through. Try to find it. It needs to go. Right there. Oh no, I touched the RTV. Let's see. I think we're going to be okay. We're going to be alright. So now that I've got it started through the hole, we want to be sure that our shift linkage, our shift fork rod is also going into the case, which it is. And as long as everything plays well together, I might need to tap these dowels a little bit. I had a hammer, but now we want to get those bolts all the way back around. Now, I must say, on this, it has actually been fairly easy. There was actually no snap rings that I needed to remove. This actuator is just going to set back on here. And look at that, it is already lined up. So we got our shift forks back in the place that they need to be. So now we're going to go ahead and put our screws, our T40 bolts. I'm going to get them all started by hand. I'll probably run them up with the impact, and then I will finish torquing them with a wrench. I'll be back with you after that. Alright, I've got them all locked in by hand. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around. See that oozing out? Now, some people would say you want to do a star pattern, and they might be right, but I've never had a problem with RTV. RTV's always been my friend when I go to check these down. It's not like a real pattern. Not like a real gasket, or you're worried about it walking around or anything like that. So now I'll go back and make sure that they're all, as the Russians say, good and tight. Alright, I'm not going to make y'all watch that. Coming around to the home stretch here. Alright, so last thing that I've got to do over here is get the actuator back together, and I thought I lost my actuator bolts, but I forgot that I originally took the actuator apart down here on the floor. So there's 3 long bolts and a short bolt. The short bolt is pretty obvious, it goes here, and then your 3 long bolts drop through the actuator into the case. There's no washers or anything like that. Put those back in. And then we are going to grab a 10mm and snug them down, which I've got right here. Put my T40 away. Grab my 10mm. I like these ratchets that act as a speed wrench. quite easy and quick. So guys, I did still have some questions about the wire that goes into what only appears to possibly be an electromagnet, or maybe it's some kind of proximity sensor. I'm not sure. If you guys know what that is, know what it's there for. Maybe it's the feedback to let the truck know it's in four-wheel drive, or let it know that it's in low range. I'm not sure. But just like that, guys, mic drop. It is back together and ready to go in the truck. If anybody has any questions about this, feel free to hit me up. I'm on Instagram and Facebook. Instagram is metalmaniac407. And yeah, guys, catch me next time when we have the Allison in the truck.